Hi Priya, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm good. How are you?
I'm really very good. So shall we start?
Yes, sir. We can start.
Okay. Priya, you can tell me the difference between get window handle and get window handles in Selenium?
Okay. Get window handles. We used to take the present screen ID, and we can say it as like the window which has the control. We can take the ID of that, and get window handles. We can take ID of many windows like parent window and child window also. And in get window handles, we will take only one window, and get window handles, we can take many multiple windows.
You mean get window handle can give you one window
One
ID?
window. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
We can say we will be using in gets window handle set of string. Like that.
Okay, the return type is set of string. Okay.
Yes.
And what is the return type of get window handle?
Get window handle string only.
String only. Wonderful. Can you also tell me the different type of locators we have in Selenium?
Yes. ID, class name, tag name, partial link text, XPath.
Few more are pending.
ID, name, class name, tag name, XPath, CSS locator, link text, partial link text.
CSS selector user?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's fine. So there are total 8 locators. I think you missed one.
CSS locator selector I missed first.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Can you also tell me the navigate methods we have in Selenium?
Yes, sir. We have like forward, backward, and refresh, and we have to take the URL driver.navigate driver.navigate.back driver.navigate.refresh driver.navigate.back forward driver.navigate.to in the bracket URL we can print.
Okay, that's great. Can you also tell me how can I check the presence of any component in any particular page in Selenium?
Yes, we can go for is displayed method to check the presence of the component.
Okay, all right. If I don't use assertion concept in TestNG or in my test case, what can happen?
Like in Selenium, everything will be passed. So sometimes we need to purposefully fail the test case or pass the test case. In that situation, we can go for assertion concept.
I mean, if I don't use it, what will happen?
Like if we don't use like every test case, whether we pass any inputs, it will give the pass. In Selenium, it will not get to know it is pass or fail. If we pass, for example, assert true with the boolean value, if that is equal, then it will display as if it is equal, then it will be display as true. If it is not equals, then it will display as false. For example, if we go for title of the page, if it is same page, then it will display. If we want to display the Google page, then the exactly if Google page is displayed, then we can say the test case is pass. If not, you can say the test case is fail. Like that.
Okay. So you said that if I don't use the TestNG assertion concept, then all the test cases it will show as pass.
Yes, and as per like in assertion, if expected result can be written and the method should come from the methods.
Actual behavior should come from the.
Yes, actual behavior should come from the methods.
Okay, got it. So you said that if I don't use the assertion concept, every test cases will be passed. So my question is, when I don't use the assertion concept, every test cases will be passed, even though it gives you a exception.
No, sir. When we get the exception, it will be failed.
Okay.
In that point of time, we will get the exception. If we don't get the exception, even though we have some errors or some small mistakes in the program, at that point of time, we need to purposefully fail the test case or pass the test case, I'm saying.
Understood. Can you tell me some TestNG assertion that you know?
Yes, sir. Assert dot assert true, assert dot assert false, then assert dot assert equals. And in assert equals, we have all the return types. In assert true, we can say it is false or true inside the parenthesis. And in assert false, we can say true or false in the parenthesis. I mean, Boolean values.
Got it. Got it. Is it possible that a single class can have 10 at the rate of test annotations in it?
Yes, sir. We can have any number of the rate test in any test cases.
If I have 10 at the rate of test in a single class, then what will be the order of execution of them?
If we give priority, according to that, it will be executed. If we don't give priority, it will be according to the alphabetical order.
Alphabetical order of?
Like ascending or descending.
Alphabetical order of what? Class name, method name, variable name, what?
Method name.
Method name. Okay. Is it also possible
test case name.
Method name, basically.
Yes.
Got it. Is it also possible that out of 10 annotations that I have, can I give all 10 priority as same? Possible?
No, sir. The negative priority or less priority will be executing the first one.
No, I'm saying, can I give same priority for all 10 test cases?
Sir, if we give same priority, then it may confuse which we should be executed first and which should be executed later.
Can I give or not?
No, sir.
If I give, what will happen?
Sir, as I said, like it may get confused. Which one will be executed
like
first?
How it will get confused? Compilation error or runtime error?
Compilation error.
No. If you are giving same priority for all the 10 test cases, right? It won't be confused. See, you know, right? That what is the default priority of any at the rate of test? Zero. Now you have changed all priority to 1.
Yes.
Before all the priority was 0, and it was following the alphabetical order of the method name.
Yes.
Now you are saying all the methods have the priority as 1. Before it was 0, now it is 1. So again, it will follow the alphabetical order of the method name only. It won't give any runtime and compile time.
Yes, I agree that, sir.
Okay. Is it possible that we can give priority also to a particular at the rate of test and invocation count also to the same test case?
Yes, sir, we can give.
How? Just verbally tell me.
By giving separation, like test case in the by passing parameter is equal to priority is equal to 0, comma, then invocation count, how much count we need, we can give it by giving comma separation.
Comma separation. Yeah. Got it. Understood. Now, as you know that there is a way to handle the dropdown.
Yes, sir.
We have an option in Selenium to handle the dropdown using select class. Can I also handle it using keys functionality?
Yes, sir. We can use it by keys functionality also by we use the element dot send keys dot keys dot then drop we have an option of keys down. In that we can use how much time we need to select the particular element, that much of time we can give the keys down option.
Understood. Have you heard about a class called reporter in TestNG?
Yes, sir.
Talk about it, please.
Reporter.log, I have heard about it. Like it will log the test in the emailable report. We can get that log in the emailable report.
Understood. Got it. Can you also talk about that? What are the various ways to click a link?
Click a link. We can, like you're talking about the program or
No. Just tell me verbally only. Suppose there is a link. What are the various ways to click it? One is by method called click. Understood. What are the other
yes.
ways? Think. I mean, this needs to think. You can't answer me directly. You have to think about it.
Clicking like enter by keys functionality, we can use enter. And in robot class, we can use key press key event dot keys functionality. I mean, most keyboard functionality.
Oh, I got your point. Okay,
Yeah.
using robot class also we can do it. Okay, what are the other ways? Can I also perform double click on the link? Will it also perform same?
Yes, sir. But
So
for single click, we use enter or single click, or as I said, key press event, that one.
Yeah, that is also fine. But double click also will do it.
Work, yes.
Okay, that's fine. Can you also tell me what is the procedure to install the Maven project?
Yes, sir. Can I show that in practically or
just tell me? There is no problem.
Okay, go to the file, then click on project. Next window will appear. Then we should click on Maven project. We need to search for archetype Maven -archetype -quick start. With the version whatever we need, and click on finish. Then we need to add the dependencies. One is Selenium Java dependency. Another one is TestNG dependency. In Apache POI, we have two dependencies to add inside the form XML file. Then we will be getting two where we have created the new project. We will get two package. That is, one is source, then another one is test one.
Where are you adding these dependencies?
Inside pom.xml.
In pom.xml. Okay, wonderful. That's fine. Can you also talk about the difference between array and collection?
Yes, sir. Array is used to store homogeneous elements, and collection is used to store heterogeneous elements. Here we cannot change in array. We cannot change the size. It will be fixed size, and in collection we can add any number of memory. I mean, it is not a fixed size. We can say it is dynamic one. Okay, got it. To overcome the drawback of array, we can go for collection, we can say.
Okay, got it. Can you also tell me what is super keyword in Java?
Yes, sir. Super keyword is like I should memorize.
Take your time, relax, take your time. Think, nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. Think, that's fine.
Super keyword in Java is to call parent implementation with the child class implementation, and we can utilize only in the case of method overriding, and it should be non-static. When we override, the method should be non-static always. in that case, and in super keyword can be written anywhere in the method, we can say.
Mm-hmm. Can I also say that super keyword can be used only in the case of method overriding?
Yes, sir. I said that point.
Okay.
We can use that in the memo method overriding
Mm-hmm.
because
So
it
can I
is
also
non-static. So we can use that in the method overriding.
got it? Can I also use it in the main method super keyword to call
Mm,
the parent class method?
I think yes.
No, you said me right that super keyword should only be used in the non-static. That means you can't
Yes.
utilize it in the static. Main method is a static, so you will not be able to utilize it.
Yes. Sorry. Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Can
I
I
was thinking like
Hmm.
child class and parent class, which one will be having main method? Child class will be always having the main method, so we cannot utilize that in the
Main
main
method.
method. Yes.
Okay, that's
Static.
fine. Can you also tell me if I can overload the main method?
Yes, we can overload the. We cannot. No. Oh, no, I think so.
See, the main method is public static void main string arguments. Can I
Yes.
have one more main method like public static void main with no arguments? Can we
No, sir.
overload the
Main
main method?
method will be once. Where in the class it we can take it at once.
Okay. See, we know, right, the definition of method overloading, developing multiple methods,
With
but
the
variation in the
same.
argument list.
Yes.
See, the main method will never change. It will always be public
Always
static
be.
void main string array argument only. But you
Yes.
have an option in Java to add other main methods also, but with different parameters. So you have main method with string array argument. You can add
Yes.
one more main method with no argument.
With the
You
known
can add one
arguments.
more main method with int a argument. It's possible. So the idea
Yes.
is we can overload the main method.
Okay.
Can we override the main method?
No, sir, because it is static. Static method we cannot override.
That's true. That's true. That's great. Can you also tell me when to use a super calling statement?
To super calling statement, we can say like calling super calling statement. To call the parent class constructor from the child class constructor, we can use super calling statement, and it can be parameterized and non-parameterized, and we can say it should be written in the first line of every method, and that's it, I think so.
I want you to show me a program on super calling statement, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll share the screen.
Yeah.
If you take class Amazon, I don't.
What happened?
Sir, I'll take two parameter as string A and string B. I'll keep it as public. We can say it as a parent class. Then class child super extends.
No. This is wrong. Give me the XSL guide.
Okay, sir.
See, the class which is present here, that will only be the child always. You cannot make this as child. So I'll help you a little, okay? Then you can start. The first thing you have to do is you need to add a main method here.
Yes.
Since this is your child class.
Main child class.
Then add one more class here. Give name anything. Add one more class here. Give name anything. Add one constructor in each one of them.
Yeah.
Now do it, I'll guide you. Create a relationship between them. Amazon extends Google.
Amazon extends Google.
And super calling extends Amazon. So that will write later, don't worry. Go to line number 16, write super calling extends Amazon. Now, just for our understanding purpose, Priya, write one line of statement in each constructor. So go to line number 6 and print something like hello Google, something like this. Hello Google. Writes print something in the line 20 also. No. Let me help you. Wait. So you just have to call your child class constructor here. So just create an object of your child class, and you can see it will call the child class constructor. Not only that, it will also call your parent class constructor and grandparent constructor. It will call every one of them. Let me show you. So you can see it is calling each constructor. Though we know your internet looks weak. I'm not able to control your screen sometimes.
Yes, sir. It is like you are a bit less network.
So you're getting exceptions, so we need to resolve it. Why we're getting class not found exception. Build path, configure build path. This is anyways not required as of now. This jar has been deleted from your laptop. You can see it's showing as missing. Are you able to see that? So some jars are missing. You can add it later. I'm not adding as of now.
Yes, sir.
I'll try to run it again. Okay, so now you can see program is getting executed, but you can also see other constructors are also getting executed. We know one thing in Java, that constructor can never be inherited, but still they are getting executed. It is all happening because of the super calling statement. So as you can see, I have called this particular constructor, but other constructors are also getting called. It's all happening because of the super calling statement. So basically, in every constructor, there is a super calling statement present. This super calling statement will invoke the parent class constructor. Again, the parent class constructor also have the super calling statement, which will call the supermost parent class constructor. And that is why the first answer is hello Google, and then hello Amazon, and then at last this is main method. So this is called a super calling statement. Super calling statement is used to call the parent class constructor from the child class constructor. You're able to remember it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. Can you also tell me if you know GitHub commands? Can you tell me some GitHub commands, please?
First git init, we initialize that. Then git clone, we clone the repository into the local. Then git status, what are all the files present, it will be displayed. And git add, all the files will be added. If we want to add the particular file, we can give the file name. If not, we can give the dot, then it will add all the files in that. And git commit, it will commit git commit -m, that will commit, and we can give the message over there. And git push, with the repository URL we can give, and click on enter. All the all the files will be pushed to the GitHub. And we have the git pull also, same wise, like as it is like git push, we have the git pull, and give the repository URL. Click on if we click on enter, then we can pull all the whatever the files we need.
Okay, got it. So can you also tell me, Priya, that in your Selenium project, your project will consist of what all things?
Sir, I have taken the Maven project. In that, I have used list set as a collection part, and we have constructor part. I have used some constructor part, and we have pom.xml file. In that design, I have used like starting, we can find the element, we can locate the element, then we will perform action on that element. I had created the method for that, for every element, whatever the action should be performed, that. And I had called the constructor. Inside that constructor, I had used the page factory class, and I have used the static method as init element to initialize all those elements, and I have passed this and a driver. And in test cases, I have called all the methods, whatever I have created in the source, and then I have executed that. Then that will be executed, so that the file, the browser will be launched, and whatever the test case I had written, it will be executed like that.
Okay. So does your project consist of anything else like listener concept or?
Yes, sir. I have listener concept, retry concept, and taking screenshot. Like in listener concept, I have used taking screenshot concept, so that every time whenever I launch the browser, and if it is pass or fail, it will take the screenshot. Whenever I have like my test cases fails, then I'll give the retry method. Then it will be retried. If there is any internet connection missing and software or hardware failure, then I'll get to know by that screenshot whether it is pass or fail.
Okay, got it.
And I have used DTT concept also to fetch the sensitive data from Excel file.
Okay, understood. And are you also doing parallel testing or cross-browser testing?
Yes, sir. I have done parallel testing in that, even like by giving different types of browser, executing the test cases together in all the browsers.
So you have done
And
parallel testing using which concept? Can you give me some idea about it?
concept, for one application, I have used parallel testing, so that it will execute same application with different browsers together.
Okay, that's fine. Do you also know anything about grouping concept in TestNG? What it is?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Grouping is like it is like types of testing. We will do the grouping according to the types of testing. For example, smoke testing, regression testing, component testing, integration testing. According to that, we do the grouping. Like test cases. Grouping, we can do 2 test cases or 3 test cases also together, and 1 test cases also. And in XML file, whenever we are grouping, we will give include command that the group name, so that that command, that particular test case will be executed. If we want 2 to 3 something test cases, group of test cases to be executed, then I have given group is equals to some types of test cases with the separation of count, so that every test cases will be executed.
Understood. Understood. Okay. Can you also give me an idea that how you can generate the XML file?
Yes, sir. Going to the test case, clicking on right click on that and go to TestNG. Then we will get the option of convert into TestNG. If we click on that, we will get one pop-up. Inside that, we can change the name of that particular test case. Then we can click on finish, so that in left side we can see the path of that file. If we want to see that file, we can double click on that, where the file will be displayed. XML file will be displayed.
After generation of the XML file, can be edited?
Yes, sir. We can edit it.
Okay, got it. That's fine. That's fine, Priya. I'm done with my interview. You have a good knowledge of Selenium and Java as well. Just need a little bit more revision. Just revise it.
Yes.
It's fine. And I think you have explained most of the things that I asked in a good manner. So I can feel that you have a good knowledge. That's really great. And I'm pretty sure if you can do one more round of revision, and if you go to future to any interview, I'm pretty sure you will be able to crack it. So whatever the knowledge that you have is good, and I'm pretty sure that it will really help you a lot. And yeah, that's a feedback from my side. If you have anything, you can let me know.
Actually, I got my first job from yours, from you. I mean, I saw your videos, whatever it is in YouTube on the manual testing. I saw that by taking that knowledge itself, I went for the interview. I cracked that interview. It was good knowledge. Like whatever your YouTube blogs, whatever you are giving knowledge, if we take any concept, we will give deep knowledge on that. That makes everyone understood what are the concepts, and by that only I wanted to join with you in the GroTechMinds actually. And I had a fear of joining, like for Java I had a fear that I cannot learn, I thought, but you made me feel like it is good. We can also learn, and it is so easy. And I felt whenever I was sitting in your class, I was getting good knowledge, and I got deep knowledge in every concepts. And even Selenium, even I went before this institute, I went for another institute also. I don't want to mention that institute name, but I didn't had practical knowledge on Selenium like this. Now I can explain in my words only where what it is, and where if we go for XML, whatever you told, like I was not knowing, like I was not having pinch of knowledge on it. But now I can explain whatever it is in system. I can only explain like that. I have a good knowledge from Java and Selenium. I'm planning to go for another course also in GroTechMinds. I will plan accordingly and then come back. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
sure, Priya. I wish you all the best. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.